What's going down YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy, King Coopa. Back again with another video. Now this time, I got something different. You know what I'm saying? Back again with another video for you guys. Another fat snack for you guys. I'm not really calling them fat snacks. I'm just, you know, giving a good title. So, I got something new. I got some Nerds. Yes, sir. And I got some sour Skittles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine them together or something like that. Maybe put them inside the little Nerd Gusher thing. But first, we got to get a napkin. You know what I'm saying? We don't want no roaches around here. You know what I'm saying? So let's take this. I had them in the fridge too, so I needed to take them out. Okay. I thought he was going to be a little bigger, but we're going to go with that. Yes, sir. It smells like Kool-Aid, too. And we're going to take about, let's try about 2 Skittles. And just put them together like that. I wish I could have melted them together, but it's all good. Just take them like that. You know what I'm saying? Let it focus, I guess. I can't even see what I'm looking at, so let's just try it. I like it. Take 2 Skittles. Oh yeah, that's good. It's just a little sour. But yeah, 2 Skittles. That's real good. Oh yeah. Any kind of Skittles, 2 different kind of Skittles. And you good. So just go to the gas station or something and pick up the snacks with the Nerds on them, like that. The Skittles are kind of sour, you know what I'm saying, but it's all good. But that's basically it. That's all I wanted to come up with. That's all I came up with this in my mind. You know what I'm saying? Put them together. Excuse me. I wish I could have melted them together, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to see any more fat snacks or whatever, if y'all have any more ideas, let me know. I'll put them together, make a video for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys go down below and go subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to figure this YouTube thing out, but I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep pushing and just try to figure it out. So with that being said, I'm out. Peace. Let me take this with me. I'm sorry.